How to log in to Vodafone account online. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Vodafone account. Whether you need to check your data usage, pay a bill or manage your services, logging into your Vodafone account online is super easy, so let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Vodafone website, or you can also search for Vodafone login page on your web browser. Once you've done that, you'll see various options. Simply tap on the first and official one. Simply click on accept all cookies. Now what you need to do is enter your Vodafone login credentials. Simply enter your number or username. After you've done that, simply click on continue and you'll be sent a verification code which you might need to simply enter the code. Now if you've forgotten your username, simply you can tap on forgotten my username as well. Now if you have not registered for Vodafone, you can simply click on register my account. Now you can set up your account via a mobile number, a landline number, or your broadband order number. You can choose whichever you prefer. After you simply chosen that, simply enter your mobile number and click on continue, and you might receive a verification code. Simply enter that and you can simply register for your Vodafone account. And that's it. You're now logged into your Vodafone account and ready to manage all your services.